Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware AliExpress Importer plugin. Now the Shopware AliExpress Importer plugin allows the Shopware store owner to connect their Shopware store with the AliExpress. The store admin can import products from AliExpress into the Shopware store using the Google Chrome extension. The admin can map the products with a particular manufacturer while importing the products and can also map the categories as required. The plugin also allows the importing of the product variations. Apart from that, the admin can also place the orders at AliExpress with a single click there. So all in all, this particular plugin allows the admin to import products from AliExpress using the Google Chrome extension. The admin can place the orders at AliExpress with a single click. The admin can map the AliExpress products with the Shopware store manufacturer while importing. The admin can map the AliExpress products categories with the Shopware store product categories while importing. The admin can edit the product details while importing. Admin can import the products with variations, and the admin can import the product reviews as well. So in today's video tutorial, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end, and I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end as well. But before that, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how to install the AliExpress Google Chrome extension and how to set up the authentication details for your store where you want to import the products to from the AliExpress. So for that, we'll see how to add your store URL and how to add credentials to access your store there. Then we'll see how to import products from AliExpress to Shopware store, how we can view the imported product, how the customers can view the imported product at the storefront, how the customers can place the order for the imported product, and the rest of the initial configuration settings of the plugin as well in the admin backend panel. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the AliExpress website. So the very first thing that I want to show you is how to install the AliExpress Google Chrome extension. So for that, you need to go to the Google Chrome web store and search for the Shopware AliExpress Importer plugin, and you have to add it to your Google Chrome web browser. After you have added it to the Google Chrome browser, on the top right hand side you can find the Shopware AliExpress Importer installed on your Google Chrome browser, right? So that's how easily you can install the AliExpress Google Chrome extension from the Google Chrome web store. Now after you have installed the Shopware AliExpress Importer from the Google Chrome web store, you need to navigate to the AliExpress website, and there you'll find the particular add-on or the plugin for the Shopware AliExpress Importer being enabled. And here as well on the product page, you can see that we have the importer icon here on the top right hand corner. The same importer icon is visible on the category pages as well, so you can import the products from the AliExpress into your Shopware store from the AliExpress category pages as well as from the product pages of the AliExpress itself. So that was about installing the AliExpress Google Chrome extension and how it appears on the product pages there on the AliExpress. Now this is the importer icon. You have to tap that up to import the products. So after you've let me give you a scenario here. This is the first time that you've installed the Shopware AliExpress Importer, and this is the first time that you've reached to a particular product web page to import the particular product there, or on the category page. If you're on the category page and you're trying to import the product from the category page, if it's the first time that you're doing so, then the very first thing that you need to do is you need to basically authenticate the details of your store, of your Shopware store, basically where you want to import the products from AliExpress itself. So for that, what you need to do is the very first time that you tap on this click here to import, a particular section would appear wherein you have to enter your store URL, and then you have to enter the username and the password for the authentication of your store. So I've already done that, but to give you just how it appears, let me show you. So basically, when you tap on this importer icon for the first time, then something like this would appear on your screen. So what we'll do is I'll just go to my Shopware shop, and on the storefront, and I'll be copying the URL there, and the same URL has to be entered. Let me copy this up, and the same URL has to be pasted here. And after that, you have to tap on the next button for the authentication. Then you have to enter the username and the password. Now you'll get the username and the password from the plugin configuration settings in the Shopware 6 backend there. So for that, you have to go to the admin backend panel, navigate to extensions, my extensions. Here you'll find the particular plugin being installed. That's the Webkul AliExpress connector. Tap on the three dots, tap on the configuration option, and then what you need to do is you need to copy the API username as the username and API password as the password there. So I'll just copy the API username, I'll paste it up, then I'll go back, I'll copy the API password, I'll paste the API password, and then I'll tap here on the submit button, and you can see that the store has been authenticated successfully. And now you will be able to import the products from AliExpress into your Shopware web store there. So how to import the products from the AliExpress into your Shopware, that's very easy. To do so, you can do it from the category pages or from the product pages as well. You'll have this click here to import button. So you have to tap on that, and that would fetch the details of the product there. And here you can see there's the name of the product. You can make the changes to the name, price, meta tag, title, meta tag, description, meta tag, keywords, and much more. So for now, let's set it as to Mark Farewell, and let me copy this name for the product. Now you can also basically choose the category where you want to add this AliExpress product to within your Shopware web store. So here you have the categories of your Shopware web store. So for now, I'll be choosing it as AliExpress, because I've created one AliExpress category here, and I've imported the products into the AliExpress category itself. So let me refresh this particular page here. Alright, so let's go back. Then we have the manufacturer, so you can choose the manufacturer for this particular product that you're going to import from AliExpress into your Shopware store. So I'll choose it as Shopware Fashion. We can choose the tax rate as per our requirement. We can choose the images, so you can remove any images that you don't want to import. Then we have the variations along with the price of the variations as well. If you want to remove the variations, you can remove the variations as well. Now to import this particular product into the store, what you need to do is you need to just tap here on the submit button, and that will authenticate the store and would start importing the product. So here you can see that product has been successfully added and process for variations has been initiated. Please wait for some time, as it will take some time depending upon the number of variations there. So here you can see that the product has been successfully imported into the Shopware web store there. So that was the product, that was the Mark Farewell. Let's go to the AliExpress category here on the Shopware. Let me refresh it up. So here's the Mark Farewell that we had just imported. We had changed the name to Mark Farewell, and I can also search for the particular product there. If I go ahead, I'll search for the Mark Farewell. Here's the product. We can open the product. Sorry for that. We can go to the product as well from this particular section on the category page there, and here we are having the different images of the product being imported, and here's the price of the product, and here is the color: all black, silver blue, silver green. So all black, silver blue, and silver green. The same are visible here as well. All black, silver blue, silver green, and it's shipping from China there. Now this was how to basically authenticate the details of your store, and to add your store URL, and how to add the credentials to your store, and how to import the products from AliExpress store into your Shopware store. Now this particular product would also be visible in the admin backend panel as well. For that, you need to navigate through settings, extensions, and here we have AliExpress orders and AliExpress products. Now the AliExpress products that you imported from the AliExpress into your Shopware store, if they are purchased within your Shopware store, then all of those orders would be listed under the AliExpress orders. and the products that you imported would be visible under the AliExpress products as well as under the catalog products. So if I go to the AliExpress products, here we will find the particular mark farewell being imported with the AliExpress product ID, the status, creation date as well. So if I tap here on the particular product name, I'll be taken to the product edit page. So if I tap on that, we are taken to the product edit page. Now here, if I show you here, there were no what we say as the reviews for the product. This is a very long page here for the product itself. So just give me a second for that. So there were no feedback for this particular product there on the AliExpress. So that's why if I now take you to the product edit page here and go to the reviews, there are no reviews. And if I go to the variants, here we'll be able to see the variants of the particular product itself. So here you can see the silver green, silver blue, silver black, all black, China, 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 the price there, the stock, the product number, and the media images for the same, right? And if I go to the specifications, general settings, under the general I can scroll down and I can find the media images as well. All of the media images have also been what we say as imported there for the product. So that's how we can import the products from AliExpress to the Shopware store. We can import, we can view the particular imported product on our Shopware store, and the customers can view the imported product at the storefront. Now let's see how the customers can place the orders for the imported product. So let's tap on the add to shopping cart button here. The particular product has been added into the cart there. Let's proceed to the checkout. If you're already having a customer account, then you can log into your Shopware account, check the accepted terms and conditions, tap on the submit order button to submit the order. The order has been placed and the order number is 10031. Now if I go to the settings, extensions, AliExpress orders, I'll find the 10031 order number being displayed with the order ID, the customer name, the creation date. The updated ad is not visible right now. From here we can basically place the order at the AliExpress. Now what the admin can do is the admin can view the AliExpress product order and can place the order on behalf of the customer on AliExpress, and to do so he just needs to tap here on the place order button and he'll be redirected to the AliExpress website, and there the product would be added automatically into the cart to make a checkout thereafter. So the product will be added into the cart automatically, and then the admin can view the shopping cart. And if the admin is logged into his account at the AliExpress, then he'll be able to make a checkout thereafter. So what he just needs to do is after that he just needs to tap on the, after viewing the details there, he just needs to tap on the checkout button, choose the payment method, place the order for the customer. Now what will happen is that right now you can see that it's showing it as place order. Now if I refresh this after placing the order at AliExpress, it will show as order placed. So now for the order number 10031, it's showing it as order placed because the admin has placed the order after selecting the payment and making the rest of the procedure there at the AliExpress end. So the admin just needs to tap on the place order. He'll be redirected to the AliExpress. The product would automatically be added into the cart. If the admin is automatically already logged into his customer account there at the AliExpress, then he'll be able to make a checkout and he'll be able to select the payment method and then place the order thereafter. So that was the workflow at the admin's end. Now let's check out the initial configuration settings of the plugin there. So for that, what we need to do is we need to navigate through extensions and my extensions, and here we have to scroll down to Webkul AliExpress connector and tap on these three dots and tap on the configuration. So here we have the Webkul AliExpress connector. So the very first thing that we need to set up is the general settings. So here we can choose the sales channel for which the AliExpress importer would work. Then we have to set the status as enabled, and the complete modules functionality will depend on this status. So you have to kindly enable it if you wish to use this plugin, else the functionality of the plugin won't work if you have set it as disabled. Then you have to set up the API username and the password, set the default product quantity. So when no quantity is available for the product on AliExpress, then this particular value will be taken as the product quantity. Then we have to set the product price. We can set the product price as minimum or maximum. So most of the time products at AliExpress have a range of products price minimum and maximum depending upon their variations. So you have to select here which price will be taken for the product's price, whether the maximum one or the minimum one. Then we have the status for product. So basically here you can enable the or disable the status for product. So the default active status of product while importing. So while you're importing the product, what should be the status for the product, whether it should be enabled on the Shopware store or not while you're importing it from the AliExpress into your Shopware store. So you have to set that up here, and then you need to tap here on the save button to save the initial configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the Shopware AliExpress importer plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow there of how the Shopware AliExpress importer allows the Shopware store owners to connect their Shopware store with the AliExpress. The store admin can import products from the AliExpress into the Shopware store using the Google Chrome extension. The admin will be able to map the products with a particular manufacturer while importing the products, and can also map the categories as required. And the plugin also allows the importing of the product variations. And apart from that, the admin can also place the order at AliExpress with a single click as per the requirement there. So if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvides.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.